Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a special guest, my Aunt Pita.
Hi guys, I'm excited to be here.
Today we're making pizza at home.
Ingredients are fresh marinara sauce, pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, and pie crust. The first step is to put the pizza crust on the baking sheet. Now we're gonna bake the pizza at 450 degrees.
For 8 to 10 minutes. My favorite part, the taste test. Cheesy
And crunchy.
Hey guys, I hope you make this at home. See you on the next one. Remember to subscribe. Cowabunga. Bye.